Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and I want us to speak about Mayeni Ushibase. I want us to speak about her response towards her child Mnini. So you'd remember I did a video where Mnini was basically, he said something that shocked the most of us, that shocked me, and I didn't find it funny. He said that women or girls are like taxis. Anyone who has money can hop onto them. And he said this in a sitting where his family was there, his father, Mangwabe, no, no Mayeni was there. And, quite frankly, Musa and Mangwabe laughed at it. And to some people, I guess it seemed funny and amusing to them. Or maybe they were not really laughing at that. Maybe they were laughing because Umnini said it, and they were not expecting him to say it. But one thing about Mayeni, guys, is that she will she doesn't take nonsense. She doesn't take nonsense, and not only from other people, even from her own kids. Umayeni, when she heard Umnini say this, she didn't even laugh. Uvele wahlina wathi hayibo. She just said hayibo one beg, and she didn't laugh. She didn't find it funny. And in her diary station, she was like, yes, other people can find what he said funny. And Musa and Umangwabu were laughing at it. So Umayeni was saying, yes, other people can find it funny, but when you actually look at it, it's not funny. And when you look at Mnini for the age that he's at, those are quite big words. So she did not take it lightly. She did not try and, laugh it off or anything like that. And you know what? I am proud of her for doing that, because it's one thing for a person to hold other people's children accountable, but it's another thing to hold your own children accountable for things that they say that is out of line. But not only that, you can see that Mayeni has never shied away from the fact that she feels like her kids, her sons, are too young to kind of be influenced into polygamy. You'd remember ukuthi Mpumelelo, also with him, she was against the fact, or she was against even Musa pushing Umpumelele to take or to ngena estenjini. That's before he even had babies. And yeah, she was against it, and she was basically saying that she wants Umpumelelo to choose his own life and not feel the pressure of fulfilling his father's vision, because that's what Mpumelelo is doing. Or maybe he does have a desire for polygamy, I don't know, but from the look of things, he really is pushing, like the vision was passed on to him, and he's pushing his father's a vision. I don't recall seeing a scene where Umsele has ever asked Umpumelelo, what are your desires with your life? Like, what do you want to do? Like, what's your thoughts on polygamy or anything like that? Maybe he has done that off scene, but according to what we have been shown on camera, guys, I've never seen Musa speaking to Mpumelelo in that light. I've only seen him speak about, the vision, like basically enforcing and reminding him about the vision that they have as the Selegu family. And then, so Mayeni, she doesn't shy away from such things. And yeah, so I am so proud of her. And I know many other people were so proud of her for actually saying that. And I want to believe that even after that, she spoke to Umnini and asked him, like, what was that you were saying? So on the diary sessions, they did ask Umnini, whoever asked him, did ask him, do you think that you're going to get in trouble for what you said? And Mnini basically said that he doesn't think he will get into trouble for what he said because it was just a joke. Oh man, the way he said it. And guys, he has a list. He was like, it was just a joke. And I believe it was just a joke. He's a kid, but there's always, the saying that there's a truth in a joke. He might not know it, but his thoughts, his way of thinking about women is kind of being molded by the experiences of, or by what he's exposed to, according to his father, or what he's exposed to by his father and his brother. And I think one thing about Mayeni's children, they respect, they've got this very great respect for their father. One thing I'll say about them, Uti, they very respectful children, shame Bona, and they have like this honor. They honor their father, like they take their father seriously. You can even see in Lena like Mnini speaks to his father. Them he's not just speaking to anyone. He honors his father. So I think when a child honors their father that much, like Umpumelele, the way he was in Nini's situation, you naturally want to make your father proud. And because polygamy is a thing in your family, there's nothing wrong with it in your mind because that's all you've known. You've grown up in it. So I really am curious to see because I know one thing about them, Selig, these seasons of Uthando Nesthembu will go on forever. If they ever come to an end, they'll find another show to do something else. So I'm curious to really see Mnini as he grows up, like how he's gonna be. But besides that, Mnini is a very bright child. We are very fond of him. Like, yeah, he's very smart. And other people are like, "Mnini melani his position. He must get a slot on Izingane Zestembu." And we're gonna see him there. Like we love Mayeni's children. We love all them Selegu children, but obviously Umnini has Papela, and I think that's the reason why he stands out. But anyway, kudos and big ups to Mayeni for standing and disciplining your children and even saying it on national TV when something's not right. But please do make sure that you like this video. Please also do subscribe. This for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.